Did you know? Sneezing is like your body's natural defense mechanism. When something irritates your nose, like dust, pollen, or even bright light, it triggers a reflex that sends air bursting out of your nose and mouth at speeds of up to 100 miles per hour. That's faster than most cars on a highway. Oh, and you can't sneeze with your eyes open. It's an automatic reflex to protect your eyeballs. Crazy, right? Sneezing isn't just about your nose. It's a full-body reaction. When you sneeze, muscles in your chest, diaphragm, throat, and even your eyelids work together to make it happen. It's like a synchronized performance for your health. Sneezing can be triggered by sunlight. About 18 to 35% of people experience a phenomenon called the photic sneeze reflex, where stepping into bright light makes them sneeze. Scientists think it's a quirky mix-up in your brain's wiring.